Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw house. Let's draw the window, flowers, now we will draw curtains, now we will draw tree. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's draw some flowers. Let's draw bird. Let's make it more prominent. We will add some colors. We are using yellow color. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. Which color is this? This is yellow color. Yellow color. Now we will use red color. This is red color. Which color is this? This is red color. Good job. Now we will use light blue color. Light blue color. This is light blue color. Now we will use orange color, purple color. This is purple color, pink color, now dark green color, dark green color. Again purple, light blue color, light blue color. This is light blue color. Now we are using brown color, brown color. Dark green color. We are using dark green color to color the tree. To color the tree, we are using dark green color. Which color is this? This is dark green color. Good job. Light blue color. To color the garden, we are using light green color. Light green color. Which color is this? This is light green color. Dark green color. Now red color to color the flowers. We are using red color. Pink color. purple color. To color the bird, we are using red and light green color. Orange color. For butterfly, we are using light blue color and red color. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.